The installation and operation instruction of AMM950B and AMM1350AE diesel tillers. AMM950B and AMM1350AE tillers are two gear-driven diesel tillers in our products. Their characteristics are simple installation and low maintenance cost. The whole structures of these two tillers are made of high-strength steel, with rational and sturdy construction and attractive appearance. The all-gear drive is adopted in these two tillers. They have high output power and high transmission efficiency. AMM950B and AMM1350AE tillers can be equipped with dry-land blade, anti-winding blade, deep tilling blade, paddy fill wheel, furrower, ridger, single-side plow, disc blade, and special water pump, etc. They can work most efficiently on the pan soil or some situation that requires higher tooling efficiency. Preparations before installation. Unpack the box. Take out all parts of the tiller and make sure they are intact. The installation and operating instruction of AMM950B diesel tiller. Step 1. Installation of wheels and drag bar. Install the wheel on the output shaft. Align the mounting hole. Insert the lock pin and fix it with R-pin. The other side install in the same way. Remove the big axle pin from the dragging bracket. Install the connecting bracket in the dragging bracket. Insert the big axle pin and fix it with R-pin. Install the drag bar on the connecting bracket with lock pin. Then fix the lock pin with R-pin. Step 2. Handlebar installation. Remove the T-lock handle from the handlebar base. Install the support arm of the handlebar on the handlebar base with the T-lock. Press the regulating handle down. Install the handlebar on the support arm by matching with the grooves of the support arm. Fix the handlebar and the support arm with a U-pin. Then fix it with nuts. Step 3. Fender installation. Fix the back bracket of fender on the dragging bracket with bolts. Remove the bolts from the engine barrier. Fix the front bracket of fender on the engine barrier with bolts. Fix the fender on the front bracket and the back bracket with bolts. The other side install in the same way. Step 4. Cables adjustment. Observe the clutch state when loosening and squeezing the clutch lever. The clutch cable can be adjusted at these two positions. The clutch should be adjusted to ensure the effective separation. At this position, the reverse cable also should be adjusted to ensure it is effective. The e-stop cable can be adjusted at this position. And make sure the engine will stop after releasing the e-stop switch. The throttle cable can be adjusted at this position. And make sure the engine is stopped when the throttle control switch at the minimum position. Make sure the engine at maximum speed when the throttle control switch at the maximum position. Step 5. Installation of shift lever and air cleaner. Put the shift lever through the shift lever bracket and fix the shift lever on the shift arm with R-pin. Install the air cleaner on the engine intake with bolts. Step 6. Preparations before use. Before using, please read the manual book carefully. Open the fuel cap. Fill up the fuel tank with 0 pound diesel or -10 pound diesel. Open the engine oil dipstick. Add 0.6 liter SAE10W40 oil into the engine. Open the oil filter cap of gearbox. Add 1.5 liter SAE20 oil into the gearbox. The installation and operating instruction of AMM1350AE diesel tiller. Step 1. Installation of wheels and drag bar. Install the wheel on the output shaft. Align the mounting hole. Insert the lock pin and fix it with R pin. The other side install in the same way. Remove the big axle pin from the dragging bracket. Install the connecting bracket in the dragging bracket. Insert the big axle pin and fix it with R pin. Install the drag bar on the connecting bracket with lock pin. Then fix the lock pin with R pin. Step 2. Handlebar installation. Install the handlebar on the fluted plate with bolts and the locking lever. Adjust the handlebar to the proper position. Fasten the locking lever to fix the handlebar. Adjust the handlebar to the proper direction. Then fix it with a T-lock. Step 3. Installation of shift, lever, and cables adjustment. Put the shift lever through the shift lever bracket and fix the shift lever on the shift arm with R pin. Observe the clutch state when loosening and squeezing the clutch lever. The clutch cable can be adjusted at these two positions. The clutch should be adjusted to ensure the effective separation. At this position, the reverse cable also should be adjusted to ensure it is effective. Step 4. Fender installation. Fix the back bracket of fender on the dragging bracket with bolts. Fix the front bracket of fender on the engine barrier with bolts. Fix the main fender on the front bracket and the back bracket with bolts. Install the side fender on the main fender by using the connecting bracket and bolts. The other side install in the same way. Step 5. Installation of the battery and air filter. First, put the rubber gasket in the battery tray. Then, put the battery on it. Fix the battery on the tray by using the fixed brackets. Install the elbow pipe on the engine intake with bolts. Install the air cleaner on the elbow pipe with bolts. Step 6. Installation of circuit. Connect the power wire and the headlight power wire to the battery. Note that the red wire should be connected to the positive pole and the black to the negative. Then, connect the red positive power wire and the red switch wire to the positive pole of the engine starter. Connect the green switch wire to the negative pole of the engine starter. Connect the yellow switch wire to the red wire of the voltage stabilizer. Connect the black negative power wire to the engine casing. Finally, connect the switch power wire to the starter switch. Step 7. Headlight cover installation. First, remove the battery tray. Then, install the trap bracket of the headlight cover and the battery tray at the same place with bolts. Second, remove the two bolts that in front of the engine. Then, fix the front bracket of the headlight cover in front of the engine. Third, snap the headlight cover into the mounting holes on the front bracket. Connect the headlight power wire to the switch wire. Finally, snap the back part of the headlight cover into the mounting holes on the back bracket. Turn on the headlight. Check whether the headlight works. Step 8. Preparations before use. Before using, please read the manual book carefully. Open the fuel cap. Fill up the fuel tank with 0-pound diesel or -10 pound diesel. Open the engine oil dipstick. Add 0.6 liter SAE10W40 oil into the engine. Open the oil filter cap of gearbox. Add 1.5 liter SAE20 oil into the gearbox. AMM1050 and AMM1350 PE tubulars also can be installed in the same way.